Silence and presence, the invisible weapon. Most cannot tolerate silence because silence exposes them. It reveals the restless mind, the need to be seen, the hunger to be validated. So they speak. They explain themselves before they are questioned. They laugh before anything is funny. They fill every gap like they're afraid of what might emerge if they don't. And in doing so, they give away all of their power. Because power does not announce itself. It sits and waits. Power lets others reveal themselves first. Silence is not the absence of sound. It is the presence of control. The misunderstood nature of presence. Presence is not charisma. It isn't loud confidence, and it isn't dominance through volume. Presence is containment. A man with presence is not trying to influence the room, but the room adjusts to him anyway. Why? Because he is not reacting. He is not seeking. He is not leaking. He is self-contained. And humans are deeply uncomfortable around what they cannot read. When you are silent, people project onto you. They assume. They overthink. They reveal themselves trying to figure you out. And without saying a word, you gain information, leverage, and control. The law of conversational power. The one who speaks more loses more. Every word is data. Every sentence reveals your intent, your insecurity, and your need. But the silent man, he gathers. He observes tone, body language, contradictions. He lets others expose themselves, while he remains unknown. And what is unknown is powerful. To lock this into your mind, type this into the comments below. Silence is my advantage. Because once you understand this, you will never speak the same way again. The 3 layers of silence mastery. You were given 3 disciplines before. Now we go deeper. 1. Physical stillness. Killing nervous energy. Most leak energy through their body. Through foot tapping, finger twitching, shifting weight, adjusting constantly. This is submission signaling. Your body is saying, I am uncomfortable. I am unsure. I am reactive. Predators don't do this. A lion does not pace nervously before it moves. It becomes still. Then it acts. Training. Sit completely still for 2 minutes daily. No movement. When standing, plant your feet and reduce motion by 50%. Eliminate unnecessary gestures when speaking. Your goal is simple. Move less than everyone else in the room. Stillness creates tension. Tension creates authority. Number 2, the gaze. Controlled attention. Your eyes betray you faster than your words. Rapid scanning equals insecurity. Looking down equals submission. Seeking reactions equals neediness. A controlled gaze does the opposite. It says, I am not searching, I am deciding. Training. When someone speaks, hold eye contact 1 to 2 seconds longer than normal. When you finish speaking, do not look away first. Practice neutral, relaxed eye focus in mirrors or recordings. You are not staring aggressively, you are simply not breaking. And that alone will unsettle people. Number 3, verbal precision. Speak like a verdict. Most men speak like they're asking for permission. They dilute everything. I think, maybe, just, kind of. Every one of these weakens impact. You must speak like the decision has already been made. Not loud or aggressive, just final. Instead of, I think we should try this, say, we're doing this. Instead of, maybe later, say, later. Cut the excess. Say less and mean more. The advanced layer, weaponized silence. Now understand this. Silence is not just defensive, it is offensive. When used correctly, silence creates pressure. For example, someone asks you a question. Instead of answering immediately, pause. Look at them. Let the silence stretch. Now, answer slowly. You've just done 3 things. 1. Created tension. 2. Established control. 3. Made your words carry more weight. Because people value what arrives through silence, not noise. If you're actually going to train this, type this in the comments. I control the space. The social experiment. You will test this today. When you enter your next social environment, do not greet immediately, do not fill silence, do not overexpress. Instead, walk in, slow down, and observe. Let people notice you before you acknowledge them. Then speak, only when necessary. And when you do, be brief. Then stop. Watch what happens. People will talk more to fill the gap. They will seek your reaction, and they will adjust themselves to you. You are no longer participating in the noise. You are controlling the rhythm, the inner shift. This isn't just behavioral, it's psychological. You must remove the internal need to be liked, heard, and approved. Because that need is what forces unnecessary speech. Silence only works when it's genuine, not forced, not awkward, but rooted in, I do not need to prove anything here. Silence is pressure. Pressure is not performance. It is containment. And the man who masters both does not chase attention. He becomes the point of tension in every room. People will speak just to relieve the weight of your silence. They will reveal themselves just to be understood by you. And you will decide if they are worth responding to at all. Say less, mean more. Become impossible to read.